The world is on the brink of a financial revolution. A new era is dawning. Bitcoin, the once derided digital asset, is rising from the ashes of traditional finance. It's poised to reshape the global monetary system. Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings, it has weathered storms and emerged stronger. Today, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of hope. It offers a decentralized and transparent alternative to the current flawed system. Investors and institutions are taking notice. They're recognizing Bitcoin's potential as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. The world is waking up to the reality that Bitcoin is here to stay. This is just the beginning. Bitcoin's price is on an upward trajectory, fueled by increasing adoption and a growing awareness of its true value. The question is not if Bitcoin will reach $1 million, but when. The path to $1 million will be marked by periods of volatility. These price swings, however, are not random occurrences. They are driven by market forces and technical indicators that can provide valuable insights into Bitcoin's future trajectory. One such indicator is the Omega candle. This pattern, characterized by a sharp and sudden surge in price, signals a significant shift in market sentiment. It represents a decisive break from previous resistance levels and often marks the beginning of a new bull run. Omega candles are like shockwaves. They jolt the market out of complacency. They unleash a wave of buying pressure that propels Bitcoin's price to new heights. These candles are not mere technical anomalies. They are manifestations of the growing belief in Bitcoin's potential. As more investors recognize the significance of Omega candles, their impact on Bitcoin's price will only intensify. These candles will act as catalysts, igniting explosive growth and propelling Bitcoin closer to the coveted $1 million mark. While Bitcoin takes center stage, it's crucial to acknowledge the pivotal role of stablecoins in this financial revolution. Tether, the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, deserves special recognition. Pegged to the US dollar, Tether provides much-needed stability and liquidity to the cryptocurrency market. It acts as a bridge between the traditional and digital financial worlds. Traders rely on Tether for its stability and ease of use. But Tether's significance extends far beyond its utility as a trading tool. It represents a paradigm shift in the global financial system. Tether, despite its controversies, demonstrates the viability of digital currencies. It paves the way for a future where traditional financial institutions play a less dominant role. As the world embraces digital currencies, Tether's importance will only grow. It will continue to facilitate transactions, provide stability, and empower individuals and businesses to participate in the global economy without relying on traditional financial intermediaries. The rise of Bitcoin has not gone unnoticed by the world's governments and financial institutions. It has, in fact, ignited a silent battle for control of the future of finance. This is a high-stakes game with profound implications for the global economy. On one side of the chessboard, we have nation-states. Many are grappling with the implications of Bitcoin. Some, like El Salvador, see it as a tool for economic empowerment. Others view it with suspicion, fearing its potential to disrupt the existing order. On the other side, we have the established financial institutions. They've long benefited from the current system. They're understandably resistant to change. They see Bitcoin as a threat to their dominance. This battle is playing out in subtle ways. Think regulations, restrictions, and attempts to control the narrative. The outcome of this struggle will determine the pace of Bitcoin adoption and the shape of the future financial landscape. Section 5. Economic Warfare: Bitcoin as a Weapon of Empowerment. The battle between nation-states and financial institutions is not just about control, it's about economic power. For too long, certain countries and institutions have held an unfair advantage in the global financial system. Bitcoin has the potential to level the playing field. It offers a way for nations to break free from the shackles of the current system. It empowers individuals and businesses to transact freely without the need for intermediaries who extract fees and exert control. This is a direct threat to those who benefit from the status quo. They're responding with a form of economic warfare. They're using their influence to stifle Bitcoin adoption. They're spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But Bitcoin is resilient. It thrives on decentralization and the unwavering belief of its supporters. As more people recognize the true potential of Bitcoin, these attempts to suppress it will ultimately fail. Section 6. El Salvador, a beacon of hope for Bitcoin adoption. In the face of resistance from global financial institutions, El Salvador stands as a beacon of hope. By adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, El Salvador has taken a bold step towards a more equitable and inclusive financial future. The decision was not without its challenges. The International Monetary Fund and other institutions applied pressure, attempting to discourage El Salvador from embracing Bitcoin. Despite these obstacles, El Salvador persisted, demonstrating its commitment to financial sovereignty. El Salvador's experience serves as an inspiration to other nations exploring the potential of Bitcoin. It proves that breaking free from the traditional financial system is possible and that Bitcoin can be a catalyst for positive change. As more countries follow El Salvador's lead, the balance of power will shift. The world will move closer to a future where financial freedom and economic empowerment are accessible to all. Section 7: The Path to $1 Million, Adoption, Regulation and Market Forces. Bitcoin's path to $1 million is paved with a combination of factors, each playing a crucial role in driving its price upward. First and foremost is adoption. As more individuals and businesses recognize Bitcoin's value as a store of value, a medium of exchange and a hedge against inflation, demand will continue to grow. This organic demand is the foundation of Bitcoin's price appreciation. Regulation is another critical factor. Clear and favorable regulations will instill confidence in institutional investors, leading to larger inflows of capital. While some level of regulation is necessary, it's essential to strike a balance that fosters innovation and doesn't stifle Bitcoin's growth. Finally, market forces will always play a role. Bitcoin's price is influenced by supply and demand dynamics, investor sentiment, and macroeconomic trends. Understanding these forces is key to navigating the volatility and capitalizing on the opportunities that arise. Section 8: Navigating the volatile journey, risks and opportunities. The journey to $1 million will not be without its bumps and detours. Bitcoin is known for its volatility. This price volatility, while daunting for some, presents both risks and opportunities. Investors must be prepared for periods of extreme price swings. It's crucial to approach Bitcoin with a long-term perspective. Avoid making rash decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. However, this volatility also creates opportunities for savvy investors. By understanding market cycles and utilizing risk management strategies, it's possible to capitalize on these price swings. Remember, Bitcoin is a revolutionary technology that's challenging the established financial order. Disruption is rarely smooth sailing. The key is to stay informed, manage risk, and remain focused on the long-term potential of Bitcoin. Section 9: The Future of Finance, Bitcoin's Enduring Legacy. As we stand on the cusp of a new financial era, one thing is clear. Bitcoin is here to stay. Its decentralized nature, its limited supply, and its growing acceptance as a legitimate asset class all point to a bright future. The road to $1 million and beyond will be marked by both challenges and triumphs. There will be periods of volatility, regulatory hurdles, and attempts by those in power to maintain the status quo. But Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It is a movement. It is a symbol of economic empowerment and financial freedom. As more people wake up to its true potential, Bitcoin's impact on the world will only grow. The future of finance is being written right now, and Bitcoin is holding the pen.